In this video, I am going to discuss some assertion reason questions from the chapter Breathing and Exchange of Gases from question number 12 onwards. The previous 11 questions are being uploaded in part 1 and part 2 videos. Before watching this video, watch the part 1 and part 2 videos given in this channel. So let's get started. So let's read question number 12. Assertion. What it says? In the alveoli, dissociation of carbon dioxide from carbaminohemoglobin takes place. Yes, this statement is correct. Okay. Now let's read the reason part. What it says? In the alveoli, partial pressure of carbon dioxide. This is partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Okay, we denote it as PCO2. So partial pressure of carbon dioxide is low and partial pressure of oxygen is high. Yes, this statement is also correct. Now, due to the low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, dissociation of carbon dioxide from carbaminohemoglobin takes place. Okay. Therefore, from this we can understand that here reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So now let's read the options. See here. If we read the options, we will see that option A, it says that if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, then we will mark option A. So here the answer will be option A, because both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. I have explained you. Okay. So here the answer is option A. Now question number 13. Assertion. Hemoglobin cannot get saturated with oxygen more than 97%. Is this statement correct? Think and see. Now see, in NCERT we read that 97% of oxygen is transported by the RBCs. But this 97% of oxygen is transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin, because in RBCs hemoglobin is present. Okay. And the maximum limit is 97%. Okay, for this purpose. So this statement is correct. Okay, if we see from this point of view, then this statement is correct. Now let's read the reason part. It says, with the rise in partial pressure of oxygen, the affinity between oxygen and hemoglobin increases. Yes, this statement is correct. Okay, no doubt. Now say, is the reason the correct explanation of assertion? Think and say. See here, in assertion, it is talking about the limit up to which hemoglobin can get saturated with oxygen. Okay. But in the reason part, they are talking about the dependence of affinity between oxygen and hemoglobin on partial pressure of oxygen. Okay. In the first statement, they are talking about the limit up to which hemoglobin can get saturated. And in the next statement, they are talking about dependence of affinity between oxygen and hemoglobin on partial pressure of oxygen. So we can see here that there is no relation between these two statements. Okay. One is talking about the dependence and one is talking about the limit. Okay. So reason here is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So now let's read the options. So in option B, I am telling directly the option. Okay. In option B, if we see, we will see that if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, then we will mark option B. Okay. So here the answer is option 2. Now question number 14. In assertion it says, low concentration of oxygen allow dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. Yes, this statement is correct. Now the reason part. It says carbon monoxide has more affinity with hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. Yes, this statement is also correct. Okay. Now tell, is the reason the correct explanation of assertion? See here. In assertion, they are talking about O2. Okay. They are talking about O2. And in the reason part, they are talking about carbon monoxide. As oxygen and carbon monoxide are totally different things, there is no relation between them. Okay. So, affinity of carbon monoxide cannot explain the reason for dissociation of oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. Okay. So, here the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So, if we match the options, we will see that in option B, it is written that if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, then we will mark option B as our answer. Okay, so here our answer is option 2. Now let's read question number 15. In assertion it is written that carbonic acid is more formed inside the RBCs than the plasma. Yes, this statement is correct. Okay. Now reason. It says an enzyme carbonic anhydrase present inside the RBCs. Yes, this statement is also correct. Okay. Now say, is the reason the correct explanation of assertion? Now see, in our body, every chemical reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme. Okay. So, the reaction for the formation of carbonic acid is catalyzed by the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Okay. As carbonic anhydrase enzyme is present inside the RBCs only, therefore carbonic acid is more formed inside the RBCs than the plasma. Okay. So, here the reason is the correct explanation of assertion because they are related. You can see here. So, if we match the options, we will see that option A. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion, then we will mark option A. So, here our answer will be option 1. Now question number 16. Assertion, it says that smoking makes oxygen less available to the body. Yes, this statement is correct. Now the reason. In the presence of carbon monoxide, oxygen binds less with hemoglobin. Yes, this statement is also correct. Now, is the reason the correct explanation of assertion? Say. Okay, see here. We know smoking releases carbon monoxide gas in our body. Okay. Now, as the affinity of hemoglobin is more towards carbon monoxide than oxygen, therefore oxygen binds less with hemoglobin than carbon monoxide. Okay, when carbon monoxide is present. Okay. So, due to this, oxygen is less available to the body during smoking. Okay. Therefore, we can say that here reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So, if we see the options, we will see that option A. if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, then option A is correct. Okay, so here option 1 is our correct answer. So this was all in this video, and if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe and support this channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.